Hello dear friend, this is Daisy from Ono Machinery. We have 15 years experience on the nonwoven industry. Today I want to introduce our C700 mold nonwoven bag making machine to you. It mainly to make a 3 type of bag. First one, the shoes bag. It can pack in the shoes or the hotel laundry bag. Second, the D-cut bag. The third one, the T-shirt bag in different size. This machine is make the bag, the flat bag. Then you need the extractor punch the manual or the automatic one. If the automatic one, you can connect here in this place. The whole machine can be loaded with 120 container, and the machine leads around 7.5 meter. Now follow me, I will introduce you details. C700 mold is most simply one. The whole machine consists of 4 units. Now follow me, I will introduce you one by one. Here is the first unit. First, you according to the bag size to prepare the suitable fabric roll width to fit in here. Then bag mouth folder this place. Second unit is the bag fabric folder unit. The third one, you can make the online D-cut punch here, and the ultrasonic side winding here, and cut the fabric into the bag, finish the bag like this. Also, if you want to make the T-shirt bag, you can T-shirt bag 2 sides in center this place, and the T-shirt bag side winding this place. Then you can get the finished bag. If make the T-shirt bag, you also need the extractor punch by manual or automatic one. And the last one is the distribution command. You can choose the Chinese and English 2 language. You can set the bag length and the speed here. The machine speed is around 50 to 100 pieces per minute. Okay, so future, if you want to know more details about the machine, you can contact me freely. Okay, see you. Bye.